Nobody wants to go to the DMV to begin with, much less 2 or 3 times. It turns a simple process into an all-day affair. So to save you time and money, here are 5 simple steps that we're going to give you to help you pass your Delaware state inspection. Step 1, check your lights. One of the easiest ways to fail state inspection is for a burnout headlight, tail light, turn signal, or even something as simple as a side marker bulb. Walk around your car, test every light. Replacing a bulb is a quick fix that can save you from an automatic failure. Step 2, inspect your tires. If you're unsure if your tires are going to pass inspection, you can always use the penny test. If Lincoln's head is visible when placed in the tread, you need new tires. Also, check for uneven wear, which could be a sign of an alignment issue. Step 3, check your exhaust emissions. If your car fails an emissions test, you are not going to pass an inspection. A clogged catalytic converter, faulty oxygen sensors, or even a loose gas cap can trigger failure. If your car smells like gas, make sure to get it checked by your local shop before you go to inspection. Step 4, test your brakes and wipers. If your brakes squeak, grind, or feel soft when you press the pedal, that's a red flag. A quick brake check before your inspection can prevent last-minute surprises and a failed test. Also, make sure to check your wiper blades. These are commonly missed but can actually cause a failed inspection. Step 5, make sure your check engine light is off. This is the biggest one. If your check engine light is on, you will not pass inspection. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for codes. If it's something simple like a loose gas cap, fix it before your inspection. Follow these 5 steps and you'll walk into an inspection with confidence. No stress, no surprises. Just a little preparation can save you from costly repairs and costly re-inspection fees.